Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends, my YouTube channel and a crochet veteran. Hopefully you will be fine. You are spending good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome. I shared with you beautiful ideas. Let's come. In this video, I shared with you beautiful ideas that are very beautiful to each other. So let's come and produce beautiful ideas which are most ambitious to each other. In this video, I shared with you beautiful ideas that are very beautiful and enhance the personality of picking ideas. Let's come because it's a very beautiful and immensely ideas. In this video I shared with you, happily you will begin different crochet criteria to watching my video because it's are very beautiful to each other and you can create different type of thinking knowledge and ideas. Pick your ideology and hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas. So friend, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that. Hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared. And friends, upload this video your friends, mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas watching this video because these are very beautiful and fundamental ideas. In this video I shared with you and very beautiful crochet cardigans ideas. In this video I shared with you, upload this video your friends, mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and you will gain different information to watching this video. I hope you will enjoy different knowledge criteria to watching this video and you can create different ideas watching my video because these are very beautiful to each other. So friend, you can create different ideas which I shared with you and hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas and then you create different prickling ideas that are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully you will be gain different ideas which I shared with you in this video and then you can create different ideas to watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video, and you can create different type of thinking criteria to watching my video. Hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. I hope you enjoy my ideas. Beautiful design in this video I shared with you and beautiful sweaters ideas in this video I shared for winter season.